Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the video for the vinyl overlay for the fog lights. As you know, I got them in yellow. These are also up on the giveaway, so make sure you check out that video so you can get your entry in. We still got about a week, so make sure you check that out. For this installation, all you're gonna need is this type of squeegee. This will make the process much easier, and you'll see why. But you can also use just a regular squeegee or a credit card if you like. So to begin the process, when you put the film, what you want to do is start from either corner. I haven't, picked the side yet. I'm gonna go ahead and see which one is much better, and I'll let you know right now in a few. So you pick one of the corners, and what you want to do is work on the center area. Once you have the center area, you're going to go ahead and tuck in the bottom and the top. That's why you need this tool, and I'll go ahead and I'll show you how that gets done. So I'm going to go ahead and position this, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so what I did is that I decided to start on this corner instead. So I went ahead and I started in that corner and just started going with my finger in the center area all the way until I get to the end. You want to make sure you position it so that you're always going towards the top edge until you get to the corner. So this is already, positioned with the center in, and all these excess is what we're going to tuck in using the tool that I mentioned, which is this right here. So all we're going to do is basically, work with the film and just kind of tuck it in. It also helps if you don't have the tool. What you can do is you push on the lens and then you tuck, but this tool just does everything much easier and less work. So as you can see, starting to look real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off. We're using the tool, and I'll show you how it looks in the end. Alright guys, so there's the installation. That's on one side. So basically, that's how it will look. Looks really nice. Forgot to mention, you want to make sure you clean the area really good so that this comes out real nice. Everything aligns perfectly. This is a perfect fit film. Again, it's air release, so there's no bubbles. You do this in a dry installation, and you don't have to worry about any bubbles. You do this in a dry installation, you can remove and apply until you get it right, and it's really easy, guys. Once you position it towards the corner and work yourself, like I mentioned, and then you tuck everything in just by pushing on the lens, you'll have a nice perfect fit just like this. So that's how that gets done. So you guys have an idea. That's one, and I'm going to show you the other side. That's not done, so you guys can see how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the lights back on again so you guys can see the left and right side, and then we're going to go ahead and finalize the install on this side as well. Guys, that's how it originally looks, and now with the yellow fog film, that's how it looks. So that's the look I was looking for. Basically a nice JDM look. Let me go ahead and turn this back on. Nice JDM look, and I think it looks nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now, guys, and then we'll see the final finished product. There it is, guys, the final product. I think it looks real nice. Gives it that nice original JDM look. Even though this was built here in the US, I wanted it to look, like a JDM, old school. So I think it looks really nice. There's a nice profile here, and I'll show this, at night. I'll try to take a clip, put it on Instagram so you guys can also see it, at nighttime. But for now, I think this just does its justice. So let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe. As always, guys, go ahead and follow Crooks Motorsports. This helps us out so we can get out more products and also provide you guys with better discounts as we are today. So go ahead and check them out. Subscribe to all their channels, Facebook, Instagram at Crooks Motorsports, under also YouTube, please. Until next time, guys, any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Like, share, and subscribe as always. Boosted Whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.